And the last rule of the properties of exponents we're going to look at is the zero exponent, the zero power rule. And what this says is that anything, any expression, any number, any object being raised to the zero power is 1. 4 to the zero power is 1. X to the zero power is 1. 1 million to the zero power is 1. Even take a look at this one over here. I mean, look at this. I have 2x to the 9th, y to the 4th, z to the 7th, all being raised to the third power, and then that is being raised to the zero power. And so what happens is the third power would get distributed in. You know, you would get 8x to the 27th, y to the 12th, z to the 21st, if you distributed that third power in. But then that whole thing is being raised to the zero power, which means the 0 gets distributed in. You know, get 8 to the 0, x to the 0, y to the 0, z to the 0. And anything to the 0 power is 1, so 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So the bottom line is you really don't need to show all of this work. And if we just stop and look at the problem first, you know, I do have, you know, product rule inside of here. But what I see is these outermost brackets. These outermost brackets are containing an object. And those outermost brackets, whatever's inside of them, that object is being raised to 0 power. So that whole object becomes 1. So I wanted to show you, you know, why it becomes 1 by looking at our power rule being brought inside. But the bottom line is, if I remember anything, any variable, any number, any object being raised to the 0 power becomes 1, then right away I can just see this is going to be 1.